Namaste, I'm Rosalie, and welcome to this short meditation you can do anywhere and anytime you need to let go of tension and feel more relaxed. Now find a comfortable position and allow your eyes to blink closed. We'll begin with 3 deep breaths, 2 sips of air in through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and again. One more time. Letting all the tension drain from the body, and allow the breath to settle into its natural rhythm, softening the body even more with every exhale. Allow any tension to melt away from your forehead, your eyes, and all the little muscles around your eyes. Release any tension from your shoulders, your neck, your jaw, your whole body completely relaxed. Letting go of any sense of rushing, of busyness, or needing to be anywhere else. Just settle into this space of ease and comfort. Softening even more with every exhale. And it's time now to come fully back into this space, fully back into your body, feeling completely relaxed, serene, and ready for whatever lies ahead. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.